How many videos have I watched, seen, listened to about how much gear I absolutely need? How would you know? I don't know, but it's definitely a lot. Especially when I was starting out, it was so mouth-watering to see all the cool little gizmos and gadgets that I could use to become the best videographer, YouTuber, filmmaker, photographer of all time. I got the GorillaPod, I got the GoPro with the chest strap, I even got wheels for my tripod that never really worked, and really that's about all I could afford as a teenager. But I always wish I had the, fancy monitors, tube lights, cages, grips, mics, and all sorts of things that I saw YouTubers reviewing as being necessary tools to bring my skills to the next level. Well, let me just say my skills, whether you think they're good or not, have only improved through practice, not through getting more gear. The more gear I got to make myself better, the more distracted I was to actually getting better. Now, in its day, a GorillaPod really was a tripod, a clamp, selfie stick, but it has terrible longevity. I still have it, it can't hold any weight anymore, and the legs pop off all the time. This was over $100 when I got it, by the way. That was like 8 years ago, but I still haven't used it in like 5 years at this point. Honestly, don't know why I still have it. So what do I actually bring to a shoot? Simple: camera, lens, battery, SD card, strap. The only things I need to capture my photography. I have my big cross chest bag and I hardly ever fill it up all the way. Usually it's just my camera, spare batteries, and spare SD cards. Plus I have a Peak Design wrist strap and neck strap that roll up pretty small and I can just take them out when I'm on location. Fast and easy, how it should be. And my cameras have the little Peak Design anchors, so it's really easy to just interchange everything. Sometimes I bring different lenses if I need more than one. And I just pack them in these koozies, which is nothing expensive and it doesn't take up too much space, still protects the lens, as much as it needs to. What else? Depends on the shoot. If it's going to be a long day, I could even pack a battery charger in the front pocket. I could bring a blower to clean my lenses, but I usually just trust my lenses to stay clean to minimize how many things I'm carrying. More often than that, I'll bring a couple snacks in the front pocket. I have the Rode Go 2s that I use for audio, like I am now, but as a photographer, pretty rare. I can even fit an aperture MC light, but if I'm not gonna use it, I'm not gonna bring it. I've gone down the path of bringing a million things that I might use, and I never do. I'm always upset that I carried a heavier bag than I needed to all day. Actually, when I got rid of those things, I was less distracted by the things I could use than I used the things I would use to better effect. So what I'm saying is, bring only what you'll use. Only buy what you actually need. So many small little gadgets are promoted as necessary, and most of them aren't. At the end of the day, if you can safely hold your camera and keep it running all day, that's all you need. I hope this video helps you see that you don't need to spend all your money on gizmos and gadgets to actually become a good photographer or videographer. Practicing your skills is the only way to get better. Use what you already have to its full ability before upgrading and adding. And definitely don't weigh yourself down. It'll be hard to fly. I've been Tony King, and if you want to see what I actually capture with my non-overpacked bag, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and find a whole bunch of photo montages and other gear reviews. So subscribe to my channel for more. I've been Tony King. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.